In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need more than just software. We need tailored solutions that empower growth, drive innovation, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. At Aahent, we specialize in delivering high-performance, full-stack development solutions tailored to your business needs. Our expertise spans both front-end and back-end technologies, ensuring seamless integration, functionality, and user experience. Our front-end developers bring interfaces to life with cutting-edge technologies like React, Angular, and vue.js, while our back-end experts ensure stability and scalability using .NET Core, node.js, Python, PHP, and frameworks like Laravel, Django, and Express. We leverage databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB to deliver efficient, data-driven applications. What sets us apart is our commitment to best practices. We prioritize clean, maintainable code, adopt CI/CD pipelines for continuous integration and delivery, and ensure robust testing using automated frameworks like Jest, Mocha, and Selenium. We also follow agile methodologies to deliver on time, keeping you in the loop at every stage of development. Security is embedded into our process, with practices like encryption, data sanitization, and regular vulnerability assessments. We ensure that your solutions not only meet today's needs, but are future-ready, scalable, and secure. With Aahent, you gain a partner dedicated to excellence in full-stack development.